Hey guys, I have a Honda HRX 217. The problem I'm having is when I'm mowing across the lawn with the self-propelled Engage, it was making a grinding noise. So the grinding noise would not happen if the mower was held up in the air. So if the wheels were off the ground, no problem, no grinding noise. It was only when the wheels were set down and it ran across the lawn, it made this grinding noise. So I went through YouTube trying to find a solution to the issue, and it said replace the transmission fluid. So I did that, no change. Replace the belt. I did that, no change. Make certain tightening adjustments to the belt, no change. So I was at a loss, and it wasn't until I tried the very last thing, which was a belt conditioner. Okay, so I went to the local auto parts store and got this belt conditioner, this just random brand that the auto parts place had, and I started spraying it on the belt. And the first time I sprayed it, it got a little quieter. Then I sprayed it again, it got even more quieter. Then I let it sit for a day, and I came back and sprayed it again, and the vibration was completely gone. So that's the solution to this. I spent hours and hours trying to figure this thing out, thinking that it had a bad transmission, or the gears that drive the rear wheels were gone or bad. So another thing that you want to be aware of with the self-propelled mechanism is that over time the self-propelled mechanism starts slowing down. So what you do is you have to adjust the nut underneath the lever a little tighter, and it'll pick right up. I couldn't figure that out for the life of me. I took it into the Honda dealer. They couldn't figure it out. So on and so. Another thing you want to be aware of is that there are 26 different models of this particular lawnmower. The model number was scratched off, but I called in and I had registered the lawnmower with Honda. So then I took a soldering gun and engraved the markings for the model number and the serial number into the side of the case. That'll save you a lot of headache, because once you go to Honda and look for parts, you have to know the serial and model number, because there's 26 different versions.